Getting the Skype a JavaScript error occurred in the main process error. Here we have shown 3 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is delete the Skype's cache data. Press the Windows + R keys to open Run. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Look for the Packages folder and open it. Now scroll down and find the Microsoft Skype file. Right-click on it and select Delete. If you see the Try Again message, it means Skype is running in the background. Open the notifications tray and right-click on the Skype app. Select Quit Skype to close it. Now click on Try Again to finish deleting the file. Method 2. The next thing you need to do is install the latest version of Visual C++ redistributables on your PC. Search Visual C++ redistributables on Google and click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We have also provided this link in the description so you don't have to search. Download the latest version of Visual C++ redistributables. Remember to download the correct architecture, like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the app and the error should be fixed. Method 3. The next thing you can do is reset and repair Skype. Type installed apps in the search bar and select the top result. Search for Skype among the listed apps. Click on the 3 dots and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down and click on Repair. Wait for it to finish. If this doesn't solve this problem, then click on Reset and wait for it to finish. Restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.